Wow, take a look at this one. 1937 Lincoln-Zephyr Coupe. Absolutely stunning car. This may be one of the coolest cars I've done a video on here at Unique, especially in classics. Man, where to start on this car? This car actually was restored within the last 5 years in very, very nice shape. The Lincoln-Zephyr debuted in 1936 actually, and I believe 37 was the first year of the coupe. This is powered by a 267 cubic inch 4.4 liter V12 underneath the hood, and we're going to take a little peek at that later. It is an L-head engine, kind of derived from a flathead V8 of Ford, and that's paired with a manual 3-speed transmission, as most cars in this day would have come from. But this has that Art Deco look from the late 30s. It's just incredible. And this car, it is in nice shape. Take a look at the chrome, bright work up front here, the black paint on it. There's one little ding I found walking around it. I'll show you that here in a bit. Beautiful hood ornament that also doubles as the hood latch. And we're going to pop that hood like I said. Take a look underneath there at that V12. We'll start this thing up. We'll check out the interior. It's immaculate. Now, if you want to check out the underside pictures, the interior pics, still pictures of this car, go ahead and check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link you can click on. That's going to take you right to the pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. Lincoln-Zephyr hubcaps riding on the wide whites. Again, restored within the last 5 years. Wait till you see the interior on this one. So it's featuring black with a very fine wine pinstripe on there, as you can see. Very rich looking interior. These are a 2-seat coupe. Very large trunk area. Check out how that interior has been finished off. Wine colored leather, 3-speed on the floor, dash is kept stock. A lot of these vehicles you would see quite frequently modified to meet the contemporary customization, where they're chopping them, they're lowering them, putting different engines in them. This particular one remaining extremely stock. Here's that one little ding, you can kind of get it to show up in the reflection there. I did notice that. Haven't seen much else in this car, and that isn't a whole lot to take care of. Look at how everything fits. You can see the reflection and the luster in the paint of this car. Slip around to the back to the split rear window. And again, the Art Deco styling. Just the long, sleek, swooping body lines of this car, incredible. I believe all the Zephyrs would have the fender skirts, as you can see back here. This particular car does have a clear title. VIN number matches what is stamped in the frame of this car. Just can't say enough the condition of this car. Let's come around and take a look at the rear bright work. Trunk handle. Now it does have a spare tire and that folds out. You can check that out. By the way, look at that reflection. That's a ceiling of the building we're in here doing the videos and the pictures. But check out the still pictures and check out the trunk, how the tire folds out. Just extremely cool styling. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Happy to help out with that. Limited amount of these Zephyr coupes still exist, and like I said, a lot of them were customized to meet kind of the contemporary styling and hot rodding. So to find a stock one in this kind of condition, pretty unique. Speaking unique, the website, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on the link, it's going to take you right there. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with any questions you may have We do welcome third-party inspectors. You want somebody else to put their eyes on this car for you, feel welcome to call. I love how they did this wing window. So the window would still roll up behind this. This would be straight. Window would still roll up behind it. But once the window's down, this now becomes your wing window. How cool is that again? Kind of from that Art Deco styling. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. This wine color, just rich looking interior. Door panels, vinyl and carpeting. Leather seats, has had seat belts put in it. But look at the chrome on the seat bracketry. Just outstanding. You can get that headliner to show up. That's wine in color also. Impeccable shape. Zephyr steering wheel. Stock looking dash. We're going to go ahead and start this up. Flip the switch to on. Starter button over here. See how easily it starts. Also was looking here earlier. Appears the fuel gauge works. Oil pressure gauge works. Both those reading. And as you can see, temp gauge will start to come up. I believe that works also. And you can see the amps gauge also appears. Oh, that one I'm not sure of. Don't hold me to that. I'd want to double check that. Choke over here. That is obviously hooked up and working, but just beautiful stock dash in this car too. Again, 3-speed. Manual on the floor. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Let's take one more look at the seats, the interior on this car though. Just beautiful. And talk about comfortable. Wow. Watch how this door closes. You can see how nice everything fits too. And again, look at the reflection coming off that paint. Wow. Slip around to the back. What you'd expect. No crazy exhaust on it. Just a smooth running V12 underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. It's going to be a little easier for me to lift this larger hood with both hands. So let me pause this. We're going to check out the engine bay. All right, check out that. Check that out. The dual horns. This is actually the heater system coming off the, I believe there's a manifold. There's your V12, as you can see. Off that L-head designed engine. Look at how smooth that runs, how clean it is. Very neat and tidy underneath there. Listen to that purr. So there you have it. 1937 Lincoln-Zephyr Coupe. The V12 underneath there. Recent restoration. Is now available to purchase. So give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description, click on the link. That's going to take you there. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.